Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is gonna be a summer get ready with me, plus answering questions that I got online. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll answer them for you. And also, since this is gonna be posted closer to back to school season, this is also going to be a back to school makeup tutorial because this is easy and fast to do for the mornings to go to school. These last 2 years of college, I've been saying I wanted to wear makeup and be, you know, all done up, but I haven't. But I think this is really easy to do for any time. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So I'm gonna answer like a few questions before I get started. So the first question is introduce yourself. So basically, I am Allison. My channel name is Allison Teresa, so that is my first and middle name. What I do is mostly vlogs, college videos, beauty, fashion kind of, and all that stuff. So subscribe to my channel if you like those kinds of videos, because I will definitely appreciate it if you guys subscribe. I don't know how many subscribers we're gonna have at this point, but right now when I'm filming this, we have 113 subscribers. So thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. Probably by the time I post this video, we'll probably have more. So I'll thank you guys as well, whoever subscribed when I post this video. And I'm using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So number 2 is where are you from? So basically, I am from the East Coast, even though I'm wearing a California shirt. Nationality wise, I am Hispanic and Chinese. Number 3 is tell us 3 things about yourself. Basically, 1, I'm a college student. I'm gonna be a junior this year. The second thing about myself is that when you're watching this video, I'm gonna be already 20 years old, so that's crazy. Third fact is that when this is posted, I can't even open this lip balm. When this is posted, we are gonna hit 2 years on YouTube. So I finally got the Rose Salve lip balm open, so I'm just gonna moisturize my lips. Next question is, what is the name of your channel? It's Allison Teresa, like I said in the beginning. Number 5 is, how did you come up with the name of your channel? Basically, I was just like, I'm just gonna put my name, but I felt like it had to be more kind of, so I was just like, let me just add my middle name because like that sounds good. Number 6 is, why did you start a YouTube channel? So I started a YouTube channel because I always wanted to start one. I basically was gonna start one. Well, I filmed a lot of videos when I was in high school and stuff, like senior prom and senior graduation, junior prom vlogs, all that stuff. I have so much like footage of when I was younger, doing my makeup, doing what's in my bag, and I basically never posted them. I guess because I was young and I was just like, I don't want to really be on YouTube right now. Oh, by the way, I'm using this from Sephora and I'm just like cleaning up my eyebrows. I wanted to always post, but I never got the chance to. They were all edited and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see any of those videos, just let me know. And then my sister created a channel and I was just like, if she creates one and I'm always on her like channel, we always did videos together. Not a lot, but we did like a couple. And then I was just like, why not just start my own? I started my own 2 years ago. My first video that I ever posted was a vlog that I did when I went to California, which was pretty decent for my first video, I'm not gonna lie. My makeup skills back then were not great at all, but it's fine. I improved. So yeah, that's why I created my channel, because I just wanted to post like things that I enjoy. I'm always vlogging things because like I remember it that way. Number 7 is, what can viewers expect from your channel? Upcoming videos will probably be back to school videos maybe, and college videos. So there's gonna be a lot of college vlogs probably, and like college dorm tour, college move-in day, because since I'm gonna be in college, that's all I'm gonna be doing, all these college vlogs. So that's what you're expecting from me in the near few months, because I'm gonna go back to school soon. I'm gonna go back to school at the end of August. So I'm using the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. I'm always using this. Number 8 is who inspired you to most make a YouTube channel. All the YouTubers that I watch like inspire me to do videos. I think like in the beginning when I started YouTube, obviously it was like Bethany Moda, all those people from the beginning. I think just like little by little I was just like, I want to do this as well, just to do it for like memories for myself, I guess you can say. So number 9 is what was the most difficult part in getting started? I think the most difficult part on getting started with the YouTube channel is like for me was to try and find like a good background and like I guess lighting situation, because my room isn't camera worthy, I guess you could say. I don't use any brow gel or anything for this, so that's all that I'm going to do for my eyebrows. Number 10, what equipment do you currently have? The equipment that I currently have is that I'm filming on is my Canon G7X Mark II camera and a tripod that I got a long time ago. I made a video. I recently got my camera like I would say like a month ago. Yeah, a month ago that I got my camera, so I'm really liking it. I'm really liking this quality, but I think it's going to be hard for me when I'm in college because I'm trying to like transfer it to my computer and I don't think my computer has enough space. I don't know, but I have deleted a lot of stuff off of that. But currently I'm using my desktop right now at home, so I'll figure it out when I get to college, obviously, what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna edit and stuff like that. 11, what equipment do you hope to get in the future? I don't know. I feel like right now this camera is fine, so I don't know, maybe a bigger camera. Yeah, probably a bigger camera, but I don't know what kind of camera, because you know in the future there could be like 20 million more cameras that are good. So I'm using my Anastasia bronzer and I'm just gonna use a little fluffy brush and just go into my crease with that, just to deepen up my crease. So what I like about the YouTube community is that you could build like your own little like friendship groups. All these small YouTubers like really got each other's back. How hard it is to get subscribers now because of the YouTube algorithm. But I think the YouTube community has its downfall and you know little drama things, but you know at the end of the day, you know, it goes away after a while. Number 13 is, have you ever met anyone from YouTube in real life? Nope, I haven't. I wish I had. At the same time, I feel like I want to be with someone else. I can't just be by myself. I don't think I could do it by myself because I feel like it would be just, I don't know, not awkward, but like, I feel like I don't know what I would say, how I would approach them. Comment down below if you have met anyone because I really want to know. So the next question is, who is your favorite YouTubers? It says to pick 3, but I don't have my top 3. I have like a lot in mind, like Bremen Rock, Tess Christine, Adio Jorgensen, Danielle Corlin, I think I said her name right, Paige Sakowski, Jeffree Star, Keegan Acton. I have so many that I'm looking down my list, like, oh, Maggie McDonald and her sister Emma, Maddie Sidlick, I think that's how you say her name. I just have so many. I can't pick just 3. And then for family channels, the Life of Us vlogs, the Bram Fam, Madeline and Eric, Saucony Jolie's. Like I have so many. Oh, and my recent favorite is Bailey Sarian. She does like murder mystery and makeup like stuff, so I really enjoy that. But I don't know, I have so many favorite YouTubers. Number 15 is, what is your favorite genre of video to watch on YouTube? Anything that catches my eye pretty much. I guess like lifestyle videos and vlogs. There's a lot of videos that I like watching. It just depends on the day, what I watch. You know, the stuff that pops up and you recommend and you just watch, which could become strange because you can just end up just somewhere where you were not expecting to end up. The next question is, what is your like dream collaboration? And I feel like my dream would probably be any of those YouTubers that I mentioned. I'll just do a sit down video or like a vlog together or like a challenge together, anything. But with any of those YouTubers that I mentioned, I would love to meet them and do a collaboration with them. By the way, I'm using my favorite mascara from Maybelline. It's the Falsies mascara. What part of the video making process is your favorite? There's something in my eye right now. That's great. But I think my favorite part of video making process is the editing process. I feel like not a lot of people like the editing process, but I feel like I do, because I like just sitting there looking back at the video, editing, doing these little things. I'm not really like crazy like editor professional. So for highlighter, I'm using this Morphe brush and then the Mirror Luminizer. I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones and under my eyebrows and the inner corner. So the next question is, what do you hope to learn through the journey of becoming a YouTuber? I don't have one specific thing. I don't know why I'm putting highlighter actually first, but I usually put my blush on first. But I feel like I'm gonna learn a lot, like the direction I want to go in, I guess you can say. Or I don't know, I don't have any specific like, but I feel like I'll learn more about my camera, like the editing softwares, because maybe I'll get different software by then. Many different things that like I can't really say right now. I don't know. I don't have any specific, if you know what I mean. I don't know. Is it weird that I don't have any specific? So 19 is, what are your goals for your YouTube channel? So right now my goal is to probably get better setup. I really want a really nice setup, which I just have my plain wall right now, but eventually I would want like a nice little bedroom setup. Now I'm just using a regular lamp light, so I think this is perfect. But you know, in the future, like get, you know, those big box lights, even though I won't be able to fit them in here, but you know, it's fine. Like subscriber wise, I feel like I want to get to like 200 by the end of the year. So by December, at the end of December, December 31st, make sure you subscribe so we could get to 200 subscribers. But yeah, I think those are my goals for now. And maybe get sponsored? I don't know. Oh, I did my blush with this BH Cosmetics Tulip Blush Duo with this Real Techniques brush. And lastly, gonna put on lip gloss, which I haven't tried this lip gloss yet. But this is the Jeffree Star, the gloss lip gloss, and this is in Candy Drip, which looks really light, but it's fine. But the last question is, give us 3 reasons to subscribe to your channel. So the reason why you guys should subscribe to my channel is that I post at least once to twice a week. Usually I got like an upload schedule now, so it's like a Wednesday video and a Sunday video, and if not, just a Sunday video. If you guys recommend any videos, I'll do them. Just leave them down below. I listen to your suggestions. I'll listen to your suggestions. And number 3 is because it's me. But no, seriously, just because I want you guys to just come on this journey with me and see me grow and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe, because I greatly appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below any suggestions, like I said. Turn on that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.